classmates. Tyron Holcomb.
Also, Braylon Dunlap graduating from his kindergarten class.
There you go, Braylon.
Xavier Fox.
Congratulations, Braylon, for graduating out of the kindergarten. Also, congratulations, Brian, for graduating out of the 8th grade.
Grandma,
Brian,
and
one of his favorite cousin. Brian, classmates. Before graduation, Brian went to his 8th grade dinner dance. Look at those red bottoms. That boy's sharp. Also, Bryant on his way to his ribbon pinning look. At those Alexander McQueens. Brian GPA is a 3.5 and I'm proud of him.
Congratulations, Brian and Braylon. MoMA loves you.